So now I'm going to review doing a make one left, as that's the first thing you do in this shawl. So see, in between the stitches there is this bar. With my needle tip I'm going to go under the bar from front to back of my work. Then I will use my needle tip to knit it through the back loop. And in the spirit of row 1 of the stitch repeat, I will do a second one. So I knitted 2, make 1 left, knit 1. Okay, you can also use the tip of your right hand needle to assist. So I pick it up and enter it always, regardless of which needle tip you're using, with the left hand needle from the front and under. And see how the big gaping hole? And I need to knit it through the back loop. So I go through the back loop. Now if you're having trouble getting in through the back loop, sometimes I go in as though I was going to purl, still with my yarn in the back, and I flip over the back so I'm in the back loop that way. Okay. Then you're going to work across. Let me switch back to my continental so I'm nice and speedy. And again, I'm going to be modeling row 1 here just for the sake of your being able to see me do the make 1 left and the make 1 right twice in the same row. Okay, in row 1 and row 5 you knit until there are 3 stitches remaining. So for a make 1 right, I'm going to pick it up from the back of that bar, from the back of my work to the front, and then I roll it forward a little bit and knit it through its front loop like it were a normal knit, so knitwise. Oh, and so that gives me a little trouble, so I just pick it up again. And using my pointer finger, I'm rolling a little extra yarn forward and pinching it there so it remains there. Because when you're working into something to twist it closed, it's hard to get into. That's not wrong. Okay, so knit 1 and watch me do that again. Enter under that bar from the back to the front. Roll a little bit extra forward so there's some air in there for me to work into. And knit it through the front loop as though it were a normal knit. And that is a review of first make 1 left, make 1 right. Make 1 left, pick it up from front to back, knit it through its back loop. Make 1 right, pick it up from its back, knit it through its front.